Welcome to the teachers, judges, and fellow friends. We are students from Institute of Teacher Education Batulintang and SMK Batulintang, and we are looking forward to introduce with you today about our geodesic dome. First and foremost, we would like to quickly introduce ourselves. I am Nurul Nadira binti Muhammad Ali, a student from Institute of Teacher Education Batulintang, and I am one of the TESOL students, and to be exact, I am from PPSMP TESOL SK2.
Hello, I am Nur Adiba binti Mazlan and I'm majoring in TESOL.
My name is Phoebe Puyang Robin. I'm a student in IPG Batulintang and currently taking Teaching English as Your Second Language, or also known as TESOL, as my major.
Firstly, we need to prepare all the materials needed, such as straw, scissors, A4 papers, and sellotape. In order to prepare the struts, we connected the two straws and taped them together as shown in the video. Next, to prepare the struts, we roll the paper from one corner to another corner perpendicularly as demonstrated in the video. To measure the paper struts, we need some tools such as scissors, pencil, rolled paper, and ruler. We measured the pink struts in 26 cm of length. Meanwhile, the yellow struts measurement is 23 cm in length. We need to prepare 35 struts of pink and 30 struts of yellow. Then we mark the points at somewhere 1.5 cm from the end of all the struts. We made holes at the spot we marked the points so that we can connect the strut using the connector. As shown in the video, we used 10 struts of pink to form the decagon shaped base and connected all the struts using connectors for each side of the struts. For the top of the model, we used 6 struts of pink and 6 struts of yellow respectively to form a pentagon-shaped top. We formed the dome layer by layer. First, we connected all the necessary struts to form the first layer. Then, we repeated the previous step to form the second layer and the roof of the dome.
The dome is themed a mall with moving ceiling that will display 4 types of seasons, namely spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Interestingly, Malaysia does not experience a default seasons climate, but it can only be seen in countries such as Japan, Canada, United States, and South Korea. Therefore, we bring you a picture of 4 seasons in 2D. Let's explore the dimensions of 4 seasons with us.
It is called a 2V dome because there are only 2 levels for this dome. If it's a 3V dome, there will be 3 levels in the dome, and the same goes to the 4V, 5V, and 6V. The 2V dome is made up of 25 equilateral triangles and 30 isosceles triangles. There are 2 ways to look at how shapes are combined to form this dome, which is the first one. There are a total of 6 pentagons that make up the dome. 5 pentagons on the side of the dome, while 1 pentagon on the top of the dome, and 10 equilateral triangles to fill in the space between the pentagons. The second way is there are a total of 6 hexagons and 1 pentagon that make up the door. 6 hexagons on the side of the door and 1 pentagon on top of the dome. So let's move to the details of the dome. To present the idea of a green mall with 4 high-tech moving ceilings, a 2V dome is used as the model shape for the mall. To make the 2V dome, we have prepared 35 struts A, which is a roll paper that is 26 centimeters long in length, and 30 struts B, which is a roll paper that is 23 centimeters long in length. So, how to find the actual size of the dome? We can apply the skills of using a digital dome calculator to find the ideas of the actual size of the dome. We are required to key in the length of the strand used to make the dome model, and the digital calculator will automatically calculate the radius of the dome in real life. To find the actual size of the dome, we have to set the scale of 1 centimeters to 10 meters. Therefore, 26 centimeters equals 260 meter and 23 centimeter equals to 230 meters in real life. Through the digital dome calculator, the dome has a radius of 421 meter and a diameter of 842 meter in real life.
In the real life, we are inspired to build our dome mold using high-quality materials and based on green technology. For our struts, we would use green steel, which made using hydrogen rather than coal. Steel making requires stripping oxygen from iron ore to produce pure iron metal. In traditional steel making, this is done using coal or natural gas in the process that releases carbon dioxide. But in green steel production, hydrogen made from renewable energy replaces fossil fuels. Therefore, cleaning up steel production is clearly key to Earth's low-carbon future. As for the panels, we would use transparent solar glass. It is a specially coated glass that is designed to reduce the amount of heat entering the mold. This glass reflects and absorbs the sun's rays and helps control the glare. By selecting solar glass, we can reduce the amount of heat entering the interiors. This can improve energy utilization and decrease the operating cost of cooling systems that will contribute to greenhouse effect. In real life, we would build our own custom hub system or our connector, which made of galvanized steel. Galvanized steel is coated with a thin layer of zinc. The zinc coating protects the steel beneath it from rust. It's resistant to degradation when they are exposed to the weather. Also, galvanized steel stands up to water well, so that will be our best custom hub system to connect all of the struts and help building our mold structure.
Next, to decorate the geodesic dome, we prepared some transparency films to make the screen. We cut the transparency films into two different shapes of triangles. The first triangle is an equilateral triangle with a side of 26 cm. We cut 25 of them. The second triangle is an isosceles triangle with the two equal sides of 23 cm and one side of 26 cm. We cut 30 of isosceles triangles from the transparency film. After we finished cutting, we pasted it on the frame of the ready-made dome. We pasted the frame using a hot glue gun. Next, we make 4 extra pentagons to present the idea of moving ceiling. The pentagons are pasted with printed pictures representing each 4 seasons. The 4 extra pentagons is connected to the ready-made dome by using the longer connectors. Thus, we have finished the model of the mall with 4 moving ceilings. Here is the finished products. Thank you for watching our presentation videos of Geodesic dome.